In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download view-protected, view-only PDF files from Google Drive. Before we get started, I want to be very clear. This walkthrough is for educational purposes only. You should always respect copyright, privacy, and the sharing settings chosen by the file owner. Only use these techniques on documents you own or have explicit permission to download. Let's begin by opening the view-only PDF in Google Drive. When you double-click the file, it opens in the Google Drive viewer. In this mode, you'll notice you can scroll through the document and zoom in and out, but there's no download button, and printing might be disabled. That's what view-only typically means. The basic idea behind most methods is this. Even though Drive prevents direct downloading, your browser still has to load what you see on the screen. That means page images or PDF data are being temporarily stored in your browser. Our goal is to carefully access what's already being shown to you, without trying to break into anything you're not allowed to see. First, make sure you can clearly view each page. Set the zoom to a comfortable level so the text is sharp. Slowly scroll through the entire document from the first page down to the last one. The reason for doing this is that some pages only load when you scroll to them. If you skip this step, some parts of the file might be missing in whatever you capture. Next, you can use your browser's developer tools to inspect what's being loaded. On most browsers, you can press a key like F12 or right-click and choose something like Inspect. This opens a panel showing the underlying page elements and network activity. Look for the section that displays what the browser is downloading as you scroll through the PDF. Often, these are image files or PDF fragments. As you scroll again, watch for entries that look like images or PDF data related to each page. You can open these in a new tab, then save them to your computer. If they're images, you may need to combine them later into a single PDF using a PDF creator or online tool. Take your time and keep the files organized, naming them in order so you can reassemble the document correctly. When you've saved all pages, open them locally to confirm everything is clear and readable. If something looks blurry or cropped, go back to the original Drive tab, adjust the zoom, reload that page, and repeat the capture for that specific section. Again, always remember, use this knowledge responsibly, and only for documents where downloading is allowed or clearly permitted.